It should be a pretty quick video, but here on 2006 Honda Ridgeline we're gonna be replacing PCV valve, and here's a part number. I'll provide Amazon link in description of this video. Looks like PCV valve just secure with one 10mm bolt. Was there pretty tight. I have no idea when was the PCV assembly replaced, but I know that it was not, at least for 40,000 miles. Now with my luck, it actually flew into this fan assembly. Have skinny arms, so I was able to get it from there. I still hear it shaking, so looks like it was working. I recommend always comparing the parts, make sure you get an exact same thing for proper fitment. And I'm gonna put a bit of engine oil on those two seals or gaskets. I don't have any laying around, so I'll just use some from dipstick. And this new one, I hear a bit more noise when shaking. So probably old one was on the way out. Out of all PCV valves I've done, this one's probably the easiest. You don't want to over tighten here, just make it snug. And that's it. I'll provide Amazon affiliate link for this PCV valve, and I guess for this flashlight it makes this job a lot easier. Have any questions, let me know, I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, see you next time.